Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to quickly navigate through an Excel document using key commands. For the reason that key commands are so useful in Excel, it's really great while using Excel to have your left hand near your Control and Shift keys on the left side of the keyboard and your right hand either on the keyboard or on your mouse. And you'll find that that will be a really good sort of hand position to quickly use Excel to quickly navigate and solve problems and work in Excel. Okay, let's start. If you click on a cell, and then with your right hand you can move around with the arrow keys, right? That's basically straightforward. If you want to select a range though, you would hold down Shift, and then with the arrow keys you can select basically whatever you want to select, just like you would if you were using the mouse and holding down a click and selecting. Shift basically does that, but you can do it with the keyboard. Now that's not that useful, but it gets useful pretty quickly when you incorporate Control. So I'm going to unselect Shift and just hold down Control and go up. You see it goes up one. When I go right, it goes right one. But actually what it's doing is it's going to the edge of the range. So if I go down, it goes all the way to the bottom. If I go left, it goes all the way to the left. If I go up, it goes all the way to the top, as you can see. If I go down twice, it goes all the way to the bottom of the document because it will keep going until it runs into some more data or some text. And if it doesn't run into anything, it goes all the way to the end. So if I go up, it ran into some numbers here, the number 50. If I go up again, it ran into the end of the range. If I go up one more time, it goes up to the top of the document. And you can imagine how quickly you can just quickly move through a document that way using that key command. And then when you mix Shift with Control, you have other options as well. So if I wanted to select this whole row here, this whole column here, one way I could do it would be selecting it with the mouse and dragging down and doing that. That's not too bad. For this document, that's not a big deal. But if this document had a million rows or half a million rows, that would be time consuming. That would take you a while. If you just go here, click there, hold on Control and Shift and go down, you got the whole column there right there. And now you can do something. Let's make it bold for no reason. And then the other thing you can do is you can hit Control A, and that will select everything in an area that Excel detects. So we'll look for the first space. So this is a space, so it stops there. This is a space, so it stops there. And it basically selects the largest range it can select. If you do Control A again, it will select a larger range. It will select the whole document. The other cool key command that's worth knowing is Control and then holding down Control and then using the page up and page down keys that are right above, should be right above or somewhere around your arrow pad. So if you go up or down with those keys, you can actually shift between different tabs in Excel, which is also another time saver to quickly move around a document. And the last thing I just want to talk about is just simple scrolling kind of stuff. So this might be different on a laptop or a Mac or other kinds of devices. You have to figure out how it works, but obviously scrolling is relatively straightforward, nothing to see there. But for some devices, for some PCs, you'll have a middle mouse button that you can click on, and you'll see this multi-directional arrow symbol show up. And that, as you move it away, it moves very slowly, and as you move it further, it moves much faster. So for a really large document, this can be a great way to zip through the document and find some particular piece of data that you're looking for. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, add any comments if you have any questions, and I hope you join us for the next lesson.